Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok Rotoscope filter. So first, open your TikTok and then search for Rotoscope. So we're just going to download actually any random video in here that or where Rotoscope is applied. Okay. Well, actually, if you don't know how to save video without link on TikTok, you can actually watch a tutorial that we also have in here. Just need to search for how to download TikTok video without watermark. So since I have already downloaded this one, just going to find it under photos. Well, so here is the video that is already saved on my device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open any video editor that you have. Here I have CapCut. Now I'm going to select the video that I'm going to edit. Here it is. So let's go ahead and add it. Well, I'm just going to, of course, add an overlay in here because once we have successfully removed this filter, it might give us a sensitive content. So now what you need to do is to edit or adjust the video. So for brightness, we're going to add contrast low, saturation high, exposure low, sharpen, and then for highlight, lower the shadows, add temperature for hue. So fade and vignette are actually not applicable. And just tap OK. Just press save and then there you have it. You have successfully removed the rotoscope filter. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.